Hi, I'm Hailey, and today we are going to be making vegan brownies. But before you say, oh, they're probably not going to be that good, these are the best brownies in the world. These are the vegan brownies that Rosanna Pansino made on her YouTube channel, and I made them before and they were just so amazing. But anyways, if you like to see vegan or allergy-friendly recipes, please give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. And you can ring the notification bell if you want to know when I post new videos. And let's get started. First, I have the flour. We have 2 cups or 260 grams. I like to weigh my flour because it is the most accurate way. And then I'm gonna add in 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Ooh. Wow, there's like this sugar cloud for some reason. 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Just regular cocoa powder, nothing special. And pro tip for baking brownies, never wear a nice shirt because no matter what, you're gonna get cocoa powder on your shirt, I promise you. At least that's how it always is for me. And then I have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, which is a lot, but we are not adding any eggs, and normally eggs act as the leavener in things, so we have extra baking powder to help these brownies rise up. And then I have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to whisk all of this together. I don't know why, but this is really hard to mix together. Look at this. I keep thinking it's all mixed together, and on the top it looks like it is, but then on the bottom, flour. And finally, the dry ingredients are all mixed together. See this, nice and even. All right, we are going to set that aside, and I have a large bowl right here, and in this bowl we are going to pour 1 cup of vegetable oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you can use whatever you have. And then I have 1 cup of maple syrup. And I have 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And lastly, 1/2 cup of almond milk, or just any dairy-free milk. I'm using unsweetened almond milk, but the original recipe uses sweetened, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to that. And that'll make it sweetened almond milk. And I have 1/2 cup of sweetened almond milk now. All right, and now I am finally ready to mix this all together. Oh, this smells so good. It doesn't like look fully combined because the oil kind of wants to stay on the sides a little bit, just a little bit, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add the dry ingredients. And now I'm gonna get rid of my whisk, and I'm going to fold my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients using a spatula. And I know I said get rid of your whisk, but my batter is very lumpy and clumpy, so I'm actually just gonna use my whisk right now, just to break up all of those chunks, but you still want to be gentle. And now I really mean it, I'm gonna switch to my spatula, and I'm gonna fold in 1/2 cup of dairy-free dark chocolate chips. Ooh. All right, so I finished making the brownie batter, and I'm trying very hard not to eat this right now. And now we're completely done, and we're ready to bake this. So I have a 9x13 baking dish here, and I have greased it with cooking spray and lined it with a piece of parchment paper. And then I'm just gonna pour all of my batter in there. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake these brownies for 30 to 40 minutes. I will tell you if it takes longer, because it actually took longer last time, but my oven was just being a bit wacky, I think. And voila, the vegan brownies are all finished. As you can see, there are already some pieces missing because my family is eating it already. Like, I literally just made these. I ended up making mine for 40 minutes. But anyways, let's try some. First, take a look at this. Oh my gosh. Still the best brownies ever. And when they cool down, they're still soft, which is amazing. It's hard to find that in a brownie recipe. Sometimes they get a little hard the second day, but these last forever. Not actually forever, don't quote me on that. Chocolate hands, chocolate hands. Chocolate hands. Whoosh. I'm pretty sure my body is just like 100% chocolate now. I just eat so much chocolate. Just look at this. What in the world? Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you decide to make these brownies. Let me know in the comments if you do, or share your pictures with me on Instagram. You can follow me there, and I would love to see you baking creations. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you would like to see more videos like this one. And I will see you in the next video. We're ready to bake this. My oven is preheated. Blah, blah, blah. Can't talk today. Oh my gosh.